Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm going to talk on some basic keys we need to know in order to use the Pixellab successfully. So this is just an introduction to Pixellab. Pixellab is a design application where you can make amazing design with your mobile phone while using this app. Now quickly I'm just going to talk on these three function for this tutorial. 1 2 3. Now the first function we'll be seeing is the background. Now this is the background over here. This is it over here. Now when you click on it, you will be able to set your design platform as your background for design. The first one here is the color. That's the first one, the color. The second one is transparent. The third one is image size. The fourth one is crop. The fifth one is image. Sixth from gallery. 7 camera. Now let's just try each and every one of them out. The first one is color, so let's click on it. So you see it's going to you'll be able to select the color you want to use depending on the content you are creating. Now there's color psychology, so you be careful how you use colors for your design. There are colors that don't go, and sometimes color has meaning. So when you're saying color psychology, you should know what you are designing. Maybe you are designing a job for your clients, so there are colors that best send the message your client is trying to pass across. So that's for color. The next is transparent. When I click on transparent, my background is going to disappear. As you can see, maybe I just want to design something and I want to save it, or maybe I want to use it as a mock-up, or I want to use it for something else, so I don't want the background there. All I have to do is when I'm done designing, I might start designing with a background so I can see what I'm designing. But when I'm done, I'll just go to transparent and I'll click on transparent. Then my background is going to disappear. So now let's go back to color and get our color back from gradient. So I think this was color we're using. Now the next is image size. Now this image size, it's telling you to choose a size of your design. Maybe it's something you want to print out. Maybe you are using it for different social media platform as their sizes. There is like YouTube thumbnail. Let me show you. YouTube thumbnail has a particular size for their posters. So when I click on image size, there are custom size here. So you can see Facebook cover art. Let me click on it and enter. You can see it's very tiny. So whatever I'm going to do it with this space, because that's what is required for where I'm about to use it for. And that's why if you are designing for a client, the first thing you should do is to ask, are you printing it out, or what's the purpose for the flyer you are designing? So you know where to position your size. You know how to position your size before you start designing. So the next thing we'll be seeing is the crop. Now the crop is not yet available because there's no image to crop. So let's just click on image first. Now see, I've clicked on image. Now there are custom image that came with this app. Now once you click on automatically becomes your background. Let me click on this. See, it's now the background of my design. Let me click on something else. There's so many. Look at this now. Look at this. Now let me edit this text quickly so you can see that I can actually use this. Oh, sorry, I want to edit this text. I'm going to click on text, edit. See, I just wrote hello there. I'm going to color so you see it well. So you see, so I picked this background from images. Now those images, they are limited. Now if you want more images, all you have to do is to go to your gallery. Maybe you downloaded from your browser when you go to Google, just write background for design. Sometimes Google is going to give you links where you access websites that have amazing backgrounds. You can get your background for there. But when I click on from my gallery, let me click on it so you see better. When I click on from my gallery, I'll be able to access my gallery, and I can pick anything I want to pick. I can pick any images. Immediately I click on any of these images, it becomes my background. See, okay, because of the size we're using, is because of the size of design we're using. Let me just click on it so you see it becomes my background. I changed the size so you see it has become my background. Now the last one is camera. When you click on camera, it's just going to take you to your camera. This is very easy to understand, where you can snap a background you want to use, but all you need to know is that once you click on this icon, it has everything to do with your background you are using, and this is the first step to designing. Sometimes you can just use a plain color, sometimes you can use a custom image that's already in Pixellab. Sometimes you can select any image from your gallery. So that will be all for now. I'm going to explain the other two key in another videos because of time. So please, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and click on my notification button for more content like this. Bye.